In this video, we're going to take a look at GCP resources, the differences between regions and zones, accessing resources through services, global, regional, and zonal resources, project overviews, and pricing overviews. This overview is designed to help you understand the overall landscape of the Google Cloud Platform. Here, we'll take a brief look at some of the commonly used features and be pointed towards documentation that can help you dive deeper into the topics we cover. GCP consists of a set of physical assets and virtual resources. Each data center location is in a global region. Each region is a collection of zones. Each zone is identified by a name that combines a letter identifier with the name of the region. If you want to understand how regions and zones work, it's going to be a lot easier if you look at the graph below. When you work with GCP, software and hardware products are services, and these services are what provide access to the underlying resources. Some resources can be accessed by any other resource across regions and zones. Global resources include pre-configured disk images, disk snapshots, and networks. But other resources can be accessed only by resources that are located in the same zone. Some zonal resources include VM instances, their types, and disks. And there are even some resources that can be accessed between zones, but only by resources living in the same region. Any resource in GCP belongs to a project. Projects are made up of settings, permissions, and other metadata that describes your application. Each project has a name, which you provide, a project ID, which you can provide or you can let GCP assign one for you, and a project number, but GCP decides on that. A project serves kind of like a namespace, and when billing is enabled, each project is associated with exactly one billing account. To understand more about the principles about how pricing works on GCP, see the pricing page. To understand pricing for individual services, you can take a look at the product pricing section. And there's even a pricing calculator that provides a quick and easy way to estimate what your costs will look like on GCP.